Hey there, welcome to the Investment Blueprint, where we make personal finance simple, practical, and easy to apply. If you want to master your money, build credit, and use credit cards the right way, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to use credit cards effectively while avoiding the most common mistakes people make. Credit cards can be an amazing financial tool when used wisely, but if mismanaged, they can lead to unnecessary debt and financial stress. Before we talk about strategies, let's make sure you understand how credit cards function. A credit card allows you to borrow money up to a certain limit and repay it later. However, if you don't pay it off in full, you'll be charged interest, which can add up quickly. One of the best habits you can develop is paying off your credit card balance in full every month. If you carry a balance, you'll be charged interest, making your purchases cost more than they originally did. If you can't pay in full, always pay more than the minimum to reduce interest charges and pay off your balance faster. Your credit utilization ratio is the percentage of your credit limit that you're using. Keeping your utilization below 30% is ideal for your credit score. Maxing out your card can hurt your score and make lenders see you as a risky borrower, even if you pay on time. Credit cards should be used strategically, not for impulse buying. They're great for recurring bills, everyday expenses, and earning rewards, but should be avoided for cash advances, impulse purchases, or big-ticket items you can't afford. One of the most important credit habits is always paying on time. Late payments can lead to fees, higher interest rates, and damage to your credit score. Set up automatic payments to at least cover the minimum amount so you never miss a due date. Fraud and errors happen, so always monitor your credit card statements for unauthorized charges, billing errors, and unwanted subscriptions. Catching issues early can save you money and protect your credit score. Credit cards can be a valuable financial tool, but only if used wisely. Pay your balance in full, keep your utilization low, use credit responsibly, always pay on time, and monitor your statements regularly. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and let me know in the comments. What's your biggest credit card challenge? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.